Welcome guys, welcome to my Leetcode solving section. Okay, so this problem is 1033, moving stones until consecutive. Okay, so this problem is tricky, right? But once you understand, then you will find it's very easy. So each turn you pick up a stone. Okay, so basically you have 3 stones at the line at point ABC, and each turns you pick up stone and add points. Then and the formally, let's say the stone is correct x y z, basically x less than y, and you pick out the stone at either positions x or z. So you can only move x or z. Okay, and then move to a stone with integer k. So you can move to x less than k less than z, and the k is not the same as y. So okay, so that means right, this is x and the z, and here is y. So you can only move stones from here to the middle, right? To any points. So you can move stone to close to here, right? So that means you can always move stone in. You only can move stone close to each other. Okay. And when the game ends, that you need to read. Okay, so the game ends when you cannot make any consecutive move the stones in consecutive position. So each time, if the stone x moves to y minus 1, and the stone z moves to the y plus 1, then the game over. You cannot move any further. Okay. And then you need to return the minimum moves and the maximum moves. Okay, so the minimum, so 1 to 5, the minimum move is 1, right? You just move 5 to 3, then it's done. Okay, then the maximum move is you move 5 to 4 to 3. Okay, and then for this case, they are all consecutive, so you don't have to worry. And so this is 3, 5, 1, right? So basically, you can move the stone 1 to 4. So this is the minimum move. Or move stone 1 to 2 to 4. Okay, so let me just give you the answer. So basically we can first sort the stone. Okay, and if the maximum and minimum is equal to 2, so that means it already consecutive. Okay, so let me just start from the beginning and then write turn by turn. Okay, so the case 1 is what? The case 1 is that it already is x minus 1, y minus 1, and y plus 1. So this is the simple case. So this simple case, that means that they are consecutive. So the maximum minus minimum is 2. Right? So in this case, that your minimum move is 0. Okay, and another case is that so this is the minimum move. Okay, and also if the other case is that the maximum minus mid is that less than 2, so that means this is y, right? This is y less than 2, right? Y plus 2, right? And this is, and this is x. Okay, so in this case, what you should do is just move. Okay, so so this is your max, right? My minus mid is less than 2. So in this case, the minimum move, the minimum or the mid. Okay, so maybe we only see this case. So this means that the maximum. This means this less than 2, right? But this is already have a 2 here, so this is 1, right? So all you need to do is, so that means this already satisfies the property. So all you need to do is one move. You just move this x to x minus 2, just move to y minus 1. So the minimum move is 1. Okay, and or basically the other case is that this is already y minus 1, and then you just move it to here. Okay, and the final case is that this is y, and then this is y minus 1, y plus 1. And x is here at some point, z is here. So in this case, you will need to like change this z to here and then move this x to here. Right, move to these 2 points. Okay. So in this case, the minimum move is 2. Okay. So what is the maximum proof, right? So the maximum move is that suppose this is y plus 1, y minus 1. So the maximum move is always that suppose this is z, this is x, right? So you need to move z to the, so the maximum move is that you can move step by step. You can move one step. So your total move in this one is just z minus y minus 1, right? And in this maximum move is basically y minus 1 minus x, right? You just use this to minus this and use this to minus. So and then you can add them and add them. So when you add them, you see that the answer is just z plus x minus 2. So this is the maximum move for each case. So the maximum move just maximum minus minimum and minus 2. Okay, that's it. I think just so you just case by case do a discussion and you know the answer. Okay, and I will see you guys in other videos. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks.